Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can increase the font size in the Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Open up the Brave browser on your device. Next click into these three lines in the top right corner and click into settings. After that navigate to content, and here guys you can customize your browser's font. For example, you can change the font size here. It will be set to medium on default, but you can go with very small, large, and very large as well. You can also customize the font by clicking into that button here. And here again, use that slider to adjust the font size, set a minimum font size as well, choose a standard font, serif font, sans serif, mathematical fonts for each type of text or fonts here in the Brave browser. So go through the settings, apply the edits you would like to go with, and that's how you change the font size and font style in the Brave browser in 2026. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.